Power Airsoft LB here today with my friend AVOps Airsoft, Cameron, by the way, who's filming. Today we got an unboxing of a shotgun that I ordered, so let's get to it. Let's zoom in. Alright, shitty e-bike packaging, no big. Promo codes. That's the code if you want it. 18% off.
Okay, I got that one.
Like that. 20% off, bigger e-bike. As you can see right there. It's a treat from Tower Airsoft. Use that.
Well, that's all the papers for this new bill.
Yeah, I guess. So these are all the new bill papers, which, okay, I'll read
it's like
later.
SB 798 again.
Yeah, alright, here's the...
Wait, your shells.
Shotgun bag. It's fine, I'll get to it.
Okay.
Just some shells, no big, like UTG shells, they each hold 30 rounds. They just, looks like they need some oil when you get them, oil them up. Alright, where'd I put them at? Alright, so here's the box, just normal, no big, whatever, box. Got these Costco straps, I call them, because they're always on Costco shit. Excuse my language for the little kids.
For the little kids.
Alright. So, alright. Basically, all your normal stuff.